How to log in IMO using mobile number. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you have installed IMO application in your device. For that, you need to head over to your Play Store or your App Store. At the top search bar, type in IMO. And you will see IMO video calls and chats. This is the exact application that you should download. Once you have installed it, tap Open. Now, if you would like this app to send you notifications, tap Allow. Now at this section, type in the number you would like to log in with your IMO. Here, make sure that your country code is correct. Type in your number. Once done, tap on the check icon. And at the next page, make sure that you type in your IMO name correctly. And once done, if you would like IMO to access to your contacts, you can go ahead and tap Allow. If you allow this, all your contacts will be notified that you have logged into your account and your account has been created. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on this Allow. And also not now for this. And likewise, this is how you can get logged into your account. If you tap on this chat button, you will see all the people that you have chatted with. And if you tap onto the profile icon on your top left, you can see your IMO ID, your IMO name, and everything that is related with IMO settings. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.